Ito yung mga collection ko, long chop. Ito yung name ng long chop is from Paris. So, ito yung mga collection ko na ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito ay aking backpack. I bought this one here in part1. So, it's practical. You can put anything you want. You can put water, anything. It's a little bit big, medium size. Ito naman ang aking blue bag, my favorite. It's a shopper bag, so you can put like this. You can use anytime travel bag. So it's my travel bag, shoulder bag. Ito ang paborito ko. Here's my favorite. The color is pink. It's one of my favorite. Binili ko ito sa France. Long time ago, 2016, I bought this bag in France. So because I like the color, simple. And you can, same as, you can put anything you want in your bag. So, it's etiquette is there. So, this one is a leather. It's a red one. I bought this one in Berlin. So, I went to the road walking around, but I saw this one and I bought this one. I get this one. It's evening bag. You can use evening gathering if someone invites you in the evening, so you can use this one. But mostly this one, it's a colorful, cute, but you cannot put anything you want because it's a small one, small size. You can only put your cell phone, your card, your money, anything. No, not anything. And this one is a pouch. You can put makeup, deodorant. So it's also sugar free. A lot of stuffs. Numbers. So this one is a makeup bag. So you can put makeup. I put anything like snacks. If I went somewhere, I have a snacks. Hand cream, paper, Santo Niño, kind of tablets. What next? Rosary. So I can. And this one also long chunk. So you can put anything, water, umbrella, anything you can put. So either you will use like this or you will use like that. So, but this one, it's my latest color. Here, I put some trucks in my bag. Here, I bought also this one in Padawan. The one who will sell bags, so I buy there. It's also long chunk. It's orange color. It's a nice color. And yeah, this one, if you go travel, put your clothes here, panty, bra, anything you want. See, has a big space, so you can use anything you like. If you go travel somewhere. See? It's also from Paris. 2014. Latest 2014. Okay, another one. It's not long jump. It is what's the name of this one? Abasino. Abasino, it come from Spanish. It also later, but I bought this one in Malacca, in Santo Cristo, where they sell also pearls. But oh, this one. This one, I don't know what's the name of this one. It's named Dudu. Dudu, I don't know, but I bought this one in Venice, in Italy. Venice, Italy, when I went there last year. So I bought this bag. See, it's also practical. You can put ATM, you can put your money, you can put your cell phone, you can put tissue, but you cannot put anything you want because it's only a small one. It's a shoulder bag. You can use this one, so you can carry this one whatever you like. And I don't know, but I show you something. See, it's my Michael Kors. Michael Kors. I can use this one in evening where I invited to go party or I go disco, so I use this one because it's so practical. You can only use you can put only your money, your ATM card, your cell phone. That's all you can use it. You can put anything. And one of my new one is a tiri. Oh, I love this one. See, little bit childish, but it's a nice bag. Very, very, very nice one. So same as you saw. It's a small space. You can put not too much. Only your money, ATM, tissue, hand cream. So see, how you like it? This one, this one, this one. Oh, this is my favorite one. It's a real leather. So, Dudu from Venice, Italy. So, that's all for today, guys. We're finished looking for the collection bag. The part 2 is next time, and thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.